Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hey there, Jeep enthusiasts. In this video, I will show you how to remove your Jeep Wrangler grille. First, gather your tools. A flathead screwdriver or a panel removal tool will work best. Next, open your Jeep's hood to reveal the top of the grille. You will see 6 plastic retaining clips across the top edge. Use your tool to gently pry up the center pin of each clip, then remove the entire 2-piece clip. Set these aside safely for reinstallation. With the top clips removed, gently pull the upper part of the grille forward just a few inches. This will give you access to the electrical connectors for your turn signal lights, typically one on each side. Carefully slide out any small red locking tabs on the connectors. Then, squeeze the tab and pull to disconnect the wiring. Make sure both harnesses are completely free from the grille before moving to the next step. Now that the top clips are out and the lights are disconnected, it's time to release the lower section of the grille. There are typically 6 or more pressure clips along the bottom edge. To release these, grab the bottom of the grille firmly with both hands and pull it straight out towards you with even pressure. You will hear the clips pop free. Once all the lower clips are released, your grille will be completely detached from the vehicle. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of removal. First, carefully align the lower tabs of the grille with their corresponding slots on the vehicle. Push firmly on the bottom of the grille until all the lower clips snap securely into place. Next, reconnect the electrical connectors for your turn signal lights, ensuring any red locking tabs are pushed back in. Finally, reinsert the 6 top plastic retaining clips, pushing the center pin down to lock them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.